In today's video, I'll show you how to make a Nigerian African recipe called Abacha. Let's get right into it. These are the ingredients we are going to be using to make this African delicacy. First ingredient we have here is the Ukpaka. That's the local name for this. I'm sorry, I don't know what's the English name. If you are living abroad, you can get this from any African store. But if you're living in, say, Nigeria, I don't need to tell you where to get this. You can get it in the market. And remember to wash and cook it. Mine, I've already washed and pre-cooked it. Next we have is dried stockfish. Make sure you debone your stockfish. Mixture of African spices. I'll put the list of the spices in the description. Of course, we'll be needing some red oil for this recipe. You also need some chopped onion and pepper for the catfish, and you also need some sliced onions as well. For this delicacy, you need to be generous with your onion. Onion is a very important component of the delicacy. Next, we have crayfish. Again, most of these ingredients you can get them from African store if you're living abroad, or you can get them in the market if you're in Nigeria. And next up we have our washed catfish. I've already washed this catfish. And lastly, the star ingredient of the day, the Abacha itself. So now let's get right into making this recipe. Going with your catfish, your stockfish, your chopped onion, your mixed spices, and put a little bit of water. You don't want to put too much water because we need the sauce to be concentrated. Allow to simmer for a few minutes. Soak your Abacha in hot water for like 30 seconds. Don't let it sit for long. Sieve it out immediately and leave it in the sieve. Check on your catfish. When flipping it over, be careful so that the fish doesn't break apart. Allow to simmer. Once your fish is ready, take it out from the fire, pop it into your air fryer and air fry for about 15 minutes at 180 degrees. To be on the safer side, you might want to reduce the fish stock because it's very concentrated. Going with your Ukpaka, your chopped onion, some of your chopped onion, your crayfish and your red oil. Mix together and cook on low heat for just 2 minutes, just to allow the oil dissolve and mix with the spices. Your Abacha should be fluffy and soft like this. Now pour that into your sauce, mix together. I tasted the Abacha and it needed more sauce, so I went back in with the sauce that I removed earlier. Add some more onion, mix. Just like I said, this recipe needs lots of onion, and your Abacha is ready. Check on your catfish. It should be golden brown like this. Plate your meal, and there you have it, guys. Your Abacha is ready. Serve with some of your catfish, drizzle some more onion on it, and enjoy. It's the moment of truth. Let's see what this tastes like. It's a banger. Thanks for watching. If you've been getting value from my content, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's really going to encourage me to keep bringing all these wonderful recipes to you guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.